My earlier notion was that अगर इस साल 36 लाख हो रहा है तो अगले साल 60 लाख हो जाएगा और मेरी तनख्वाह निकल जाएगी. So my only ambition was to somehow earn a salary.
Love that.
I had no ambition to build a large company.
Right, right.
तनख्वाह निकल जाएगी, मैं खुश हूँ. Right? So when that happened, we went back into the market, and I asked a friend who's a banker. I said, "Give me names of 4 VCs who won't tell us to do stupid things like
What was
list
your
on NASDAQ in 1 year,
Right.
who are familiar with the Indian context environment,
Yeah.
and are willing to wait 8-10 years."
Right.
So उसे 4 नाम बोले and gave me the contacts. I reached out to all of them and went and met them. Bubble time.
Yeah.
I spoke to 4. We got 3 offers, 3 term sheets.
Fantastic.
That's what happened in the bubble. We went to the ICICI Venture because it's not the highest valuation. There was another VC with slightly higher valuation, 15%,
Right.
15% more. But that was the international VC. And I was much more comfortable with the Indian VC. Because, you see, I saw the term sheets, and frankly, the clauses were scary.
Yeah.
And I said, yeah, an international VC will actually believe that a contract can be enforced in India.
Right.
A contract is for a conversation.
Right.
Okay, it's not to be enforced, because if you try to enforce a contract, that means the company will go under.
Yeah.
I said, ICICI, same shareholder agreement, same term sheet, will at least understand that an agreement is a conversation starter.
Right.
It is not something you want to
Binding.
enforce.
Yeah.
I also, at that time, ICICI was 40% government owned, and they're in Bombay, we're in Delhi. Okay, and I said, listen, I know enough people in Delhi where I'll get a phone call made, and they'll tell them कि इनको 2 साल और दे दो.
Right.
Because there was a drag along clause which scared me. And so we went, and they were like us. See, many of my classmates from IIM had joined ICICI.
Right.
So the guys across the table were like us.
Yeah.
And we could relate to them, they could relate to us, we could have a conversation.
Right.
I think investor compatibility is key.
Of course.
So even though ICICI was 15% lower valuation, we went to that. I think good choice.
Oh, for sure.
Because when the meltdown happened, within a few months, within a few weeks
Right.
of us raising the money, ICICI stayed the course, did not panic, did not put a bullet into our heads. And we got along well.
Which would have been very different with the foreign investor. They would have...
Enough foreign investors, I think, got out in a hurry from India at that time.
Agreed. And then 2006, November 1st, is that when you went public?
October, November. Yeah, I think the listing was in first week of November, but the roadshow was in October.
And in terms of the valuation compared to what was offered on that Machan table, it was probably like 4,000x or something.
Yeah, the Machan table offer was pre-money of 6 million.
Right.
And this one was 800 crores, which would have been about, maybe, I don't know.
I guess at that time, it would have been trading at maybe about 60 to $1 or so.
No, I think it would be 45, 50.
Okay. So about 210 million-ish. Yeah. And of course, after that, you've created
30x. But then
crazy shareholder value as well.
It doubled on day one, and
of course,
close to double. So now the market cap is about 65,000 crores.
Yeah. Brilliant. Yeah.
That time it was 6 crores.
Awesome. Let's do a bit of a rapid fire, and then we'll come back to some more things. Let's say from the context of today. And I thought these are some interesting.
Look, on valuation, you got to. I mean, the market decides the valuation. You don't decide the valuation.
Agreed.
And you got to accept what you get.
Agreed.
Be okay with it. There'll be somebody who's valued more, somebody who's valued less.
Right.
Although in the beginning, I remember I used to be very bothered about it. When we were raising a first round in 2000.
Yeah.
So I'm negotiating valuation with ICICI.
Yeah.
Okay. And they said, we'll give you 7 million. I said, there's no chance. I want at least 10 million. I said, why? I said, because you gave Nirmal Jain 10 million and he was in my dorm. I cannot face my dorm mates with a lower valuation than Nirmal Jain.
Love it.
I mean, it was as stupid logic as that. I just stuck to my guns.
And they actually came through with it?
Yeah.
I love it. Awesome.
Okay, we'll equate to Nirmal Jain.
Great.
I'm sure you love this particular tip. If you want to watch the full episode, click on the link below and watch the whole episode.